Hello creators, Andrew Mercer here. It's been a while since I've done a video, so I'm going to do a little bit of catch up. I've been away for quite a while working on a couple of projects. The video guide to Audacity, which I think some of you may know about. If you haven't checked out the video guide to Audacity, you can check it out here at this link. Now, thank you very much to everybody who has supported that project and picked up the video guide to Audacity. I've had such good responses. It warms the heart to hear from you. We have people in New Zealand using it, Australia, throughout Europe, in Asia, US, Canada, so it really means a lot to me. So if you haven't picked up the video guide to Audacity, feel free. You can get it at this link here in this video. I've also been really busy with Music Monday. And Music Monday was back on May 6th, and we had Chris Hetfield on the International Space Station who worked with us on that project. So special thank you to Chris Hetfield. You should check out his channel and check out the channel for Canadian Space Agency. If you haven't seen Chris Hetfield's video for David Bowie's song Space Oddity, you should check it out. He worked with us on the Music Monday project, and it's a really big thanks to him. He was so supportive and such a great advocacy representative for music education and music in general. So great stuff. So as I said, I've been away for a little while. I've done a little bit of travel, and I've been working on some projects, and now I'm back. I'm hoping to keep in touch a bit more. If anybody has any questions about Audacity, about how to do things, please post your questions below, and I'll try to get your tutorials and questions and things all addressed. Okay, so thank you for tuning in, and I'll be seeing you soon.